8 anti-inflammatory drinks to enjoy for health and wellness. Easy to make and wholesome for your health. Are you looking for easy and delicious ways to improve your health and wellness? Look no further than anti-inflammatory drinks. Not only do these beverages taste great, but they also offer a wide range of benefits that can help reduce inflammation in the body. From turmeric tea to beetroot juice, we've got 8 recipes that are sure to become staples in your daily routine. So sit back, relax, and sip on one of these wholesome drinks for a healthier you. Introducing anti-inflammatory drinks. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to several health problems such as arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. That's where anti-inflammatory drinks come in. These drinks are made with ingredients that have natural anti-inflammatory properties. They work by reducing the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body and promoting healing. Anti-inflammatory drinks are a great way to improve your overall health and wellness without resorting to medication or other invasive treatments. Plus, they're easy to make and delicious too. From turmeric tea to coconut water, there are plenty of options when it comes to anti-inflammatory beverages. Each recipe has its own unique set of benefits, so you can choose one that suits your needs best. So if you're looking for an all-natural way to reduce inflammation in your body and boost your immune system, give these tasty drinks a try. Before we get started, just a fast reminder. Liking and subscribing is not frowned upon here. In fact, it is very much welcome and appreciated, so let us say thank you in advance. Now let's roll. The benefits of anti-inflammatory drinks. The benefits of anti-inflammatory drinks are numerous, and they go beyond just reducing inflammation in the body. These drinks can improve digestion, boost immunity, and promote overall health and wellness. One of the primary benefits of anti-inflammatory drinks is their ability to reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a variety of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By consuming these drinks regularly, you may be able to lower your risk for these conditions. Another benefit is improved digestion. Many anti-inflammatory ingredients, such as ginger and turmeric, have natural digestive properties that can soothe an upset stomach or ease symptoms of indigestion. Anti-inflammatory drinks also contain antioxidants that help fight free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells over time and contribute to aging and disease. Additionally, some anti-inflammatory ingredients have antimicrobial properties that can help fight off harmful bacteria or viruses in the body. This makes them a great addition during cold and flu season. Incorporating anti-inflammatory drinks into your diet is an easy way to support your overall health and wellness while enjoying delicious flavors at the same time. 8 recipes for anti-inflammatory drinks. Turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is a delicious and healthy drink that has been used for centuries to help reduce inflammation in the body. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. This makes turmeric tea an excellent choice for people who suffer from conditions such as arthritis, heart disease, or cancer. To make turmeric tea, you will need some fresh turmeric root or dried powder. Boil water in a pot and add sliced ginger, honey, optional, and turmeric powder/roots into it. Simmer the mixture until the flavors blend well together. The earthy flavor of this tea may take some getting used to, but adding other ingredients like cinnamon and black pepper can enhance its taste while boosting your immune system. Drinking 1 cup of hot turmeric tea every morning can help improve digestion, boost immunity, reduce joint pain/inflammation while providing numerous other health benefits thanks to its high nutrient content. Turmeric tea is an easy-to-make beverage with incredible health benefits that everyone should try incorporating into their daily routine. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is one of the most popular anti-inflammatory drinks out there. It's easy to make and has a refreshing taste that can help soothe your throat and calm your mind. To make ginger tea, simply steep a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add honey or lemon juice for extra flavor. The benefits of drinking ginger tea are numerous. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. This makes it a great drink to enjoy if you suffer from conditions like arthritis or other inflammatory diseases. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger tea is also known for its ability to aid digestion and relieve nausea. It's a great drink to sip on after meals or during travel when you may be feeling motion sickness. Adding ginger tea into your diet is an excellent way to promote good health and wellness. Give it a try next time you're looking for something warm and soothing to drink. Lemon water is one of the simplest yet most refreshing anti-inflammatory drinks you can make. All you need is some fresh lemon juice and water to get started. Not only does it taste great, but lemon water also has numerous health benefits. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and fight inflammation throughout your body. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning can help kickstart your digestion and metabolism for the day ahead. It's also an excellent way to stay hydrated and combat dehydration during hot summer months. To make a glass of lemon water, simply squeeze half a lemon into a glass of room temperature or warm water. You can add some honey or ginger for added flavor if desired. Incorporating this easy-to-make drink into your daily routine is an excellent way to support overall wellness and promote healthy habits without sacrificing taste. Apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar drink is an excellent way to boost your immune system and improve digestion. This drink contains enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that help to balance the pH level of the body. It also helps in weight loss by keeping you full for longer periods. To make this drink, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water or add it to your favorite smoothie or juice. You can also add honey or lemon to enhance its taste. One of the main benefits of consuming apple cider vinegar drink is that it provides relief from acid reflux symptoms. It works by reducing inflammation in the digestive tract and balancing stomach acid levels. Another great benefit is that this drink has antibacterial properties which help in fighting infections. The acetic acid present in it kills harmful bacteria like E. coli and salmonella. In summary, incorporating apple cider vinegar drink into your daily routine can lead to numerous health benefits including improved digestion, weight loss support, relief from acid reflux symptoms, and a boost to your immune system thanks to its antibacterial properties. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a delicious and healthy drink that can help to reduce inflammation in the body. This root vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit your health in many ways. One of the key benefits of beetroot juice is its ability to support heart health. Studies have shown that drinking beetroot juice regularly can help to lower blood pressure and improve circulation, which reduces the risk of heart disease. Beetroot juice may also be beneficial for athletes or those who engage in regular exercise. The nitrates found in beetroot juice have been shown to enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen delivery to muscles during exercise. In addition, beetroot juice contains anti-inflammatory compounds called butylene. These compounds have been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, which may help to alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. If you're interested in trying beetroot juice at home, it's easy to make using a juicer or blender. Simply blend fresh beets with water or other fruits and vegetables for added flavor and nutrients. Adding beetroot juice into your diet can provide many health benefits while also being a tasty addition to your daily routine. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is a delicious and nutritious beverage that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Carrots are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health and wellness. To make carrot juice, simply blend fresh carrots with water until smooth. You can also add other ingredients like ginger or turmeric for an extra anti-inflammatory boost. Drinking carrot juice regularly may help improve digestion, boost immunity, and promote healthy skin. It's also a great way to stay hydrated throughout the day without consuming sugary drinks. One of the main benefits of drinking carrot juice is its high content of beta-carotene. This antioxidant has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. In addition to beta-carotene, carrot juice contains other important nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients work together to support overall health and well-being. Incorporating carrot juice into your diet is an easy way to enjoy a refreshing drink while reaping numerous health benefits at the same time. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. The gel inside the leaves of this plant contains many beneficial compounds, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. When made into juice, aloe vera can have anti-inflammatory effects on the body. To make aloe vera juice at home, simply cut open an aloe leaf and scoop out the gel. Blend this with water until it reaches your desired consistency. You can add honey or lemon to improve the taste if needed. Drinking aloe vera juice can help reduce inflammation in the body and aid digestion. It may also help lower cholesterol levels and boost immune function. However, it's important to note that some people may experience digestive discomfort when consuming aloe vera juice. Always start with small amounts and discontinue use if any adverse reactions occur. Incorporating aloe vera juice into your diet can be a simple way to promote health and wellness naturally. Coconut water. Incorporating anti-inflammatory drinks into your daily routine is a simple and effective way to improve your overall health and wellness. These easy-to-make beverages are not only delicious but also provide numerous benefits such as reducing inflammation, boosting immunity, aiding digestion, and hydrating the body. One of the best anti-inflammatory drinks you can have is coconut water. This refreshing beverage is loaded with potassium which helps regulate blood pressure and promote heart health. Coconut water also contains antioxidants that fight free radicals in the body and reduce inflammation. So why not swap out sugary sports drinks for natural coconut water? Not only will it quench your thirst during hot summer days, but also helps keep you happy year round. Remember, always choose fresh ingredients when making these anti-inflammatory